अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल है आप सबकी। अच्छा, आज की वीडियो में देखिए मेरा यूनिवर्सिटी का लास्ट फेयरवेल है और अभी हम लोग ऑन द वे रासल खैमा हैं और वहाँ पे हिल्टन गार्डन इन होटल है, वहाँ पे हमारा फेयरवेल अरेंज किया जूनियर्स ने। तो आ जाए मैं आप लोग को दिखाता हूँ, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। मोहम्मद इधर देख, माशाअल्लाह अलैक। ओके कुदूस। सो वी आर हियर एट द फेयरवेल पार्टी ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ स्टर्लिंग। वो सामने से अम्मार भी आ रहे हैं। अभी अंदर चलते हैं। दिस इज हिल्टन रॉक, हिल्टन क्या नाम है, हिल्टन गार्डन इन, हिल्टन गार्डन इन। So let us go inside and see what's happening. We are approximately 40 minutes late. Okay, so this is the entrance. Assalamu alaikum.
Alhamdulillah, ठीक ठाक।
क्या हाल है?
Yeah, we all are.
तो जैसे ही हम लोग होटल के अंदर एंटर हुए तो वहाँ पे जूनियर स्टूडेंट ने एक ट्राइपॉड में मोबाइल रखा हुआ था। मोबाइल के आगे एक ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट रखी हुई थी जिस पर वो सब सीनियर्स और ग्रेजुएटिंग स्टूडेंट के सिग्नेचर वगैरह ले रहे थे। तो इस तरह मैं भी गया, मैंने भी जाकर अपना सिग्नेचर किया, मेरे फेलो फ्रेंड्स ने भी सिग्नेचर किया। तो जैसे हम लोग 40 मिनट्स लेट थे तो ऑलरेडी जो शो था वो कमेंट हो चुका था। तो बस अभी हम लोग अंदर जाएंगे और जाके ज्वाइन करेंगे।
क्या हुआ? अभी गया ही नहीं मैं अंदर।
उसका क्या वेट कर रहे हो यार? शादी होगी उसको बुलाओगे क्या?
Before I go further, I want to take a moment to thank all those who made help. All those who helped tonight to make it happen. To Sunil sir, to Mubin sir, and Miss Evelyn as well. Thank you for being the backbone of this event. Your constant support means the world. To my students and to my student council team. I think they're here somewhere. Thank you for your tireless efforts, your planning, your creativity, and even the gift wrapping. And I see you and appreciate you as well. I also want to extend.
So the different faculty members of the different departments of Sterling, they were giving speeches for the student community, and then the juniors, they have prepared some of the games called bingo and quiz games for us, and we all seniors were enjoying those games very much. So right now we are playing a game called bingo. And then they invited especially senior students to come up on the stage and share some of their experience at Sterling. So I went up there on the stage and gave such a random speech. I really don't know what I was talking about, but it was a very good experience, to be very honest.
Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm not prepared to make a speech, so I'll start. 4 years back we got the admission in University of Sterling. That was the time of COVID. So I just want to share some of my experience in the university. In the COVID time it was really difficult, but our university managed it really well. And 4 years just passed with a blink of an eye. Me and my friends, we enjoyed a lot there in playing table tennis, doing some coding as well with our professors. I really want to mention some of the professors, especially Shamik sir. I'm not seeing him here. And yeah, William sir, Sunil sir, definitely we enjoyed a lot. Rita ma'am, how can I forget her? So we enjoyed a lot. These 4 years was probably the best years of my life. And I really want to thank you all the professors, especially my juniors who organized this such a heartfelt farewell party. Thank you so much everyone, and I hope you all get all the opportunities in future. Thank you everyone.
There's a difference, from all of this when Sheikh Shafiq was speaking. Abdullah, Sheikh Abdullah, okay? You look like Sheikh man today. Well, this is also some of the qualities or skills which today's generation is lacking. You see, he did not use any mobile phone, any notes, anything for talking to you, right? So you need to develop that skills also, not only seniors, the juniors, upcoming students, right? When you stand and you start looking at your mobile phone and speak, is not your skill. Yeah? So try to develop your skills as Shafiq, all the best, man. Anybody ready to speak without mobile phone?
अभी जो है हम लोगों ने अपनी मेमोरी शेयर की थी 4 साल की जूनियर्स के साथ। उन्होंने एक वीडियो प्रिपेयर किया और साथ ही साथ हमने अपनी चाइल्डिश पिक्चर भी शेयर की थी। तो जो जूनियर्स हैं उनको गैस करना होगा कि कौन सा सीनियर है। तो बड़ा मज़ा आया, मैं आप लोगों को वो भी दिखाता हूँ आज।
Easy. This is not easy actually. Okay, hint. Sunflower. I don't see it. Hint. It's in the IT side of the.
Ryan.
It's only seniors, 4th years only. Okay, software engineering, 4th year.
Adam.
Very much. Next.
Bro, that was you. Why don't you tell me?
Gurjeet, it is. Oh. Oh.
Abdullah. इधर कर इसका।
Which Abdullah?
This Abdullah Shafiq.
The trip has always been there.
और फिर हम सब सीनियर्स ने म्यूजिकल चेयर भी खेला, बड़ा मज़ा आया उसका भी।
Abdullah, sorry.
आजा ब्लॉगर कम बैक हियर।
मैं म्यूजिकल चेयर जीत तो नहीं सका, लेकिन खैर कोई बात नहीं। इनफैक्ट मेरी क्लास में से शहयान, दानिश, शिराज कोई भी नहीं जीता, लेकिन हम लोगों ने बड़ा एंजॉय किया। देन उन्होंने कुछ सर्टिफिकेट से वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने थे।
Yeah. So Shiraz and also Sahiyan. I cannot forget Sahiyan. Shiraz come to the stage. Sahiyan and Abdullah also. Abdullah available here. Abdullah Shafiq. Oh. Thank you for all the coordination. Yeah, and support.
Can you please call Uno card please? Uno card please. Uno card.
Next.
So this was the certificate of sports which me, Shahyan and Shiraz got from the university.
Dear seniors, as you step into this professional world, remember that you'll always have a home here at a university. May your careers be fulfilling, your dreams come true.
One thing I need to mention here, my friends, my class fellows Shahyan, Danish, Abdul Sami and Moiz, they are super talented that they got second position all over the UAE in robotics competition representing our university, and now they'll get the certificates for that, and I'm very proud of them.
Robotics competition winners Sahiyan Ahmed, Abdul Sami Abdul Khadir, Danish Ahmed, Abdul Moiz Thakur. Please come to the stage. Sajid, please stay back. We'll have a group photo also. Yeah. Thank you.
शराज किधर
Nihal.
Kirtika Sridhar,
Okay, Sami. Shahyan. Shahyan.
Kimi Achama Sen.
They're the winners of the robotic competition. Became second all over the UAE.
अभी उनके पास एक टी शर्ट थी जहाँ पे सब सीनियर्स के नाम लिखे हुए थे। अभी एक एक करके सबने जाना था, जाके उस टी शर्ट पे अपना सिग्नेचर करना था।
From Accounting and Finance, Advait Baiju.
After this, I was calling my teacher Shamik sir to come up there and have a few words with their students, but he was a bit shy. So let's see what happens.
No, we'll call your names. Shamik sir. We want Shamik sir. ताली मारता है। Woo! Woo!
Mixer.
Woo!
I'm really happy to see that attendance is more than 75% here. So no one is defaulted and no academic integrity has been compromised. I wish you all the best. Keep on moving in your career. So post-graduation is a very good option.
Then Shamik sir was speaking about the university postgraduate programs and all, but let's see what happens at the end.
That's all. Thank you. All the best.
Sir!
One line for me, sir. One line for me. Your old student.
One line for Mohammed, so be regular in your postgraduate class. And whenever giving demonstration of any technology, be very, very confident. Abdullah, so it's, I expect that Abdullah will be doing postgraduate from our University of Stirling RAC campus. So we'll be waiting for your enrollment.
Yes sir, thank you.
Shayan already is a good news to everyone. I would like to share that Shayan's and group will be writing a research paper based on their topic of robotics competition. Okay, so they are all welcome, and obviously that's another new avenue for them as well as for us to write a collaborative research article. Thank you. I think it's enough.
Thank you. तो लास्ट में हम सब ने खाना खाया, जैसे कि हिल्टन गार्डन होटल था, तो खाना बड़ा मज़े का था। फ़िश फिले भी थी, राइस भी थे और डिफरेंट डिशेस, स्वीट्स, डेजर्ट्स, जूसेस वगैरह सब कुछ था। तो बड़ा एंजॉय किया हम सब ने। और इसी तरह हमारा जो फेयरवेल है वो रैप अप हुआ एंड नाउ वी ऑल आर वेटिंग फॉर द ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी। और मैं कुछ पिक्चर्स भी शेयर करूँगा फेयरवेल की एंड इंशाल्लाह मैं आपसे मिलूँगा अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए आप सब ने बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।